Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check the passwords of previously connected Wi-Fi. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to head over to the settings of your phone and then go to Wi-Fi section, and right here you'll be able to find all the Wi-Fi's that are available right now, and you'll find the Wi-Fi that you are connected right now on the top. Now if you will tap on that I option next to the Wi-Fi that you are connected, you will be able to find an option of password right here, and if you will tap on password, it will allow you to copy your password. And if you want to check all the previously connected Wi-Fi's, you'll have to tap on edit on the top right corner, and it will ask you for your face ID, and after that you'll be able to find all the Wi-Fi's that you were previously connected to. And if you want to check the passwords of any of these Wi-Fi, you can always tap on that I option and tap on password, and you'll be able to find the password. And if you want to remove any one of these Wi-Fi's, simply tap on that minus button on the before the Wi-Fi name and then tap on delete, and this Wi-Fi is successfully deleted and then removed. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.